Good evening. It is now later in the day and I'm beginning a video right here, guys. I am at home at my mother's home in Nyarushanje in Karama. It is found in Rukunjiri district for my international fans. This is in Uganda. Anytime you are here, you can ask me to take you to my home. You see, it is a beautiful place. We have enough spaces of rooms to host parties, to host many people. So you're always welcome home. But of course, I have another home where I'm married. I will take you one of these days. Watch the Christmas vlogs are almost beginning. I'll take you home where I'm married. Then I have another home in Kampala where I'm married, where we stay, me and my husband and children. But right now, I am at my home where I'm raised or where I was born. So I found my mother going to bake as I came out from our room, our house there. I found her baking. Which is good. Yes, mommy. Now I've come. As if you had started. So she had already cracked the eggs. Agand musigas. So here is a bowl. And she had already mixed some. What did you put here?
Sugar, brew band, and 8 eggs.
Okay, she's telling me she put brew band. Brew band is like butter here. And she put 8 eggs here.
Oh, margarine.
Oh, margarine. She put margarine here, 8 eggs, and what? Sugar.
1.5 cup.
1.5 cups. She even has measuring cups here.
I'm going to add, now I am powering in the container.
Okay.
To make it.
Okay, you already blended it?
Yes.
Okay. She uses that blender to mix all the dough. So now she's going to add some more right here.
So now, let me bring my steering stick.
Okay. She's going to bring what she uses as a whisker. Is it a whisk or a whisker? Lord, where is the English? Okay, guys, you know what I mean. The one you do like this in the bowl so that everything mixes well. This is the wheat flour or wheat flour, depending on your English. But yeah, this is baking what? Fortified wheat flour here.
So now.
So this is what she's going to mix with, like that.
You'll be mixing it. You get to what? The sugar.
So she's trying to open the wheat flour so that she puts in this. She adds in the bowl. I don't know what you call this. A bowl or a bowl. English, guys. So yeah, depending on where you went to school, you might call this one. You might read it or sound it differently. Some call it bowl. Others call it bowl. For us in Ruchiga, we call it a bauro. So guys, we are here. So mommy, tell us what you have put in, because this video is for you. Baking.
Now I'm adding flour.
Okay, she has added wheat flour here. So she usually sieves it. I had never known the purpose of sieving, though when I bake at home in Kampala, I have avoided baking for many years, but when I do, I always sieve, because I see many YouTubers here sieve, but I thought maybe they'd be removing that. This is our sieve, guys. It looks like that. So she's telling me the purpose is to make the flour lighter and clean, yes, but also to make the dough lighter. I used to read that word as dough until later when they told me that it is read as dough. You read it as what? Let
Dove.
mom
Dove.
tell us her version. You call it what?
Dove.
She calls it Dow. She could be speaking Cambridge English right now. I don't know why my camera is not giving.
So now,
Okay. Now look at what she has brought, guys. This is our traditional cups. If you are of here, you know Orushare, and I know there are few. It is made out of calabash. Calabash is yeah, calabash, guys. You know calabash. Yes, so this is one of its kind, and I know many families no longer have such. So she's using it to carry water. This is water for it is warm water for adding. Okay, let me pour for you.
Enough.
Okay, so she's adding lukewarm water in this dough to soften, to make it watery, or to soften it to a reasonable texture. Is that the word? Yeah, the thickness, and for it to be a little bit fluent. Yeah, like that.
When you use what? The machine, it is faster.
Okay. She's saying if you use a machine, which machine? The mixer.
The mixer.
The dough mixer. But for us, we do it manually. And actually, she uses a spatula to mix, or akiko. If you know that language, akiko is what we use to mingle or to cook. So yeah.
You see, when it doesn't flow down, you have to add more little water, very little, because it is about.
Okay. She's telling me it is about to get the right texture, or the right thickness. So she's saying we add some little water. Okay, I've added her. It is still thick. I add. She's telling me that I've made it watery. I added a lot of water, but let's see. In case it is a lot, we just have to add some little bit of flour, to wheat flour. But it is enough, she says. So she uses manual because we don't have a mixer. So this is the local way of doing it, like the ordinary way.
Do you know what I mean?
Huh?
It is a cake.
Oh yeah, she's making a cake, guys.
I'm making home.
She's making a homemade cake.
Now, I have to put in, this is the vanilla.
Okay, she's going to add in a flavor of vanilla. It is getting dark, so my video is failing. Okay.
I have another type of.
Okay, she's trying another type of vanilla.
We need it in our kids.
She's also going to add lemon zest, the outer part of the lemon, we are going to scrape it in, then the dough will be ready. So that is vanilla you're seeing she's mixing. Got the right.
Right thing.
Gajenziri.
Gajenziri. Gariho konka nankeje inkana kaza tine ejibaru.
Okay, now it is really dark, but what you see is what you see. She's grating the lemon to bring the aroma, or the, what is it? I think, yes, the aroma in the cake.
Then I will squeeze for preservation.
Yeah, okay. Okay. She's putting the outer skin, or what we call zest, of the skin of the lemon. Then after, she will squeeze a little juice inside to preserve the cake for some days. So she's right now squeezing the juice into the dough. So guys, let me end this video. When we bake again, I'll begin from there.